guys, it's Bonnie here, and today we're doing a breaking video. Right now he's destroying his own monster truck, which I don't know the reason why, but I guess so.
It's because I'm gonna make a video with this, going this to make it something.
Anyways, I'm not gonna be making much videos so far because, well, I'm not ready and I don't have much space. Anyways, I'm just gonna be doing this real quick. We got another part video, but this is going directly to my YouTube channel. Until he gets his own, this is gonna be to my channel. Anyways, he's just continue breaking. Seriously, do you really have to?
Yeah, because I'm gonna make a video of making this look weird, but putting the tires on the top and do this.
Or maybe someday we can make something new.
Yeah, we can make something new
Out of the parts.
And guys, whoa, this is broke.
You know, instead of breaking it, you could do something else, like maybe detach it, then rebuild it. You know, one of those type of videos.
I'm gonna make something else with this on your video, Kaiwan.
But my videos can not be that long. Anyways, here's some of the parts that's been destroyed. He's trying to get out the engine and all the parts from that monster truck. Are you almost done? Want me to help? No, I don't want to get in trouble. You know, many people destroy things with mallets and different things.
And they destroy stuff with cars.
Or they use a 1,000-degree knife.
Oh.
And don't try it. And kids,
don't try this at home, guys.
Well, breaking your own toy you can do it at home, but like
you might,
by using a 1,000-degree knife, you need
to get hurt.
But he's not professional either. I am. Man, it's out of focus. Whoops. Stop. Where did that go? Anyways, but you can try this at home, but except for like doing something new. There it goes. But using a 1,000-degree knife, do not try that at home. Oh, you finally got the engine though.
And I did this off, that off, this off, everything off.
And then that's it for the video.
Yep. Bye, guys.
Well, it's not over yet.
Oh.
Anyways, I will do a face reveal, and well, my cousins already did their face reveals, except well, maybe to play Game 64. I'm gonna be starting unboxing videos, more content, and more videos. But
and some videos with me in it.
Sure, maybe.
And we could do my making this funny video.
Making funny videos? That's gonna be painful. You know why?
No, we could use Hot Wheels and put the tires here and here.
You know, mainly funny videos like have like painful parts in it, like getting hit in their body parts so hard, or making like Mortal Kombat references, like the head. Wait, where did that piece go? Oh, it's right there.
So we need it.
Yeah, right there.
And then does want me to make a real video once. We just do fake videos, but this is my real video. Comment down below if you want me to do videos.
Or let him join my YouTube channel. to be in second in command. I don't know.
He's doing a video of me. Dad, he's doing a real video.
Sheesh. You almost done? I don't know.
I do have to make a video of Roblox once.
I already made one.
Oh.
Yeah.
So can we do it today? On your channel?
I don't know. At least I finally know how to record things. Just that little tiny piece, then we're done.
Yeah.
Sheesh. It sounds, instead of sounding like plastic, it sounds like metal.
Hey Dad, I'm almost done breaking this. Got the engine out. We're doing this on one of Carmen's videos by making this so funny.
How is this gonna be funny if it's just breaking a cord?
It's because I'm gonna make this funny. Hey Dad, do you know how we're gonna do this?
Jeez, no, I'm being serious. It's making dents in this concrete. And it doesn't even sound like plastic. Seriously, it sounds
Because
like
it's metal.
No, it ain't. That ain't metal. I didn't even see it.
Give it up.
Oh my god. Okay, he's correct. This is made of pure metal. Wait, but how are you breaking it if it's against concrete? Metal's stronger than concrete.
I'm just super throwing it.
Wait.
Got it. Today we're gonna make.
Man, you guys got that bone shaker in every piece almost possible, I think. Roll cage, axles.
No.
No, don't touch it.
Only I can, cause I'm. Okay. No. Lilani, no.
No estamos. It's a
I have to bring this home.
Anyways, so
We
we're
should
done.
make another video today, Carmen.
I don't know. Anyways,
We
here are
can.
all the parts of it. We got the engine. Wait, that's just a speed booster. And there's the engine, the two tires,
This in the
this
green
little
part
piece.
that we are gonna make on. Hey guys, go check out the video that we're gonna be fixing this, but we're gonna make it more funnier. And we should do a different video today, Colin.
No, I'm not gonna do my face review until I get the exact amount of subscribers. Anyways, that's it for the video. Bye.